used to train with Leandro when I was back then, when I was brown belt. I learned a lot from him. He's the guy, you know. A lot of respect for him too, you know. He's the guy, you know. Everyone wants to beat him, and you know, I never get an opportunity to fight him. You know, I won many titles, and we never match up. And today and tomorrow is going to be the day. I'm really confident against him. I will do my best performance tomorrow, you know, and I'll try to keep always putting in a show as I do always, you know. And tomorrow is going to be a day. It's going to be my day. I believe my game will work really good against him, and I will pass his guard and I'll choke him. I hope.
Can you walk me through the arm bar there, man? It looked like a brutal thing, but he didn't tap, right?
Oh yeah, the arm bar is like, everybody like asking me like after the fight. I don't know, it's like a little, I think it's not broken, but I think it's like hurt his arm.
You felt like it was locked out.
Yeah, it's a little bit popped, but it's okay.
Yeah, and you mentioned that you fought at the Nogi Worlds and he beat you. Now this time, yeah, you didn't have that. And then this time you beat him, he didn't tap. Is there like a little rivalry brewing between the two of you?
I don't know, man. But yeah, it's like a fight against fight, right?
Yeah.
He beat me, now I'm beating him. But let's do it, guys. Now let's do it tomorrow. Have more fights, and let's go. I wanted to go this time.
Yeah.
Because it's my first like IBJJF tournament, my first Pan Ams and a black belt. So I'm ready.
I did my first match against somebody from the GF team. He was like a judo guy, and then I beat him by 6 points, and then I fought with Calazans. It was a tough match. I didn't know what to do in the end because I tried everything, I gave everything. But the only thing that matters is that you never give up. keep going, keep grinding, and it will come. At the last minute, like submitting on the armbar, it was crazy because I really didn't know what to do, and that's the only thing that I could do, and I did. Thanks God.
Alright guys, first session of the day is over with. A crazy day. Plenty of badass submissions. I remember seeing Mateus Gabriel. He had a great submission. There's some other great submissions there. Hibamar had a fantastic submission. We missed him. Jameel Hill looked on fire. It was actually a really great first session. A lot of fun matches. Levi looked fantastic out there. This is just the first session. They're gonna be going back tomorrow, but of course we got Absolute later on tonight. But we're getting out of here for a second. We're gonna get some food. We rarely leave the venue for these big competitions, so today should be fun. We're gonna get some fresh air and get some real food actually before the Absolute starts.
'19 IBJJF Pan's Black Belt Absolute Division goes down this afternoon. We're going to give you our picks. So I'm starting off and I'm choosing Lucas the Hulk Barbosa. 2018 Brazilian national champion in the Absolute Division, shows that he can hang with the big boys. Now, got a very tough side of the bracket. He's going to have to get through the likes of possibly Felipe Andrew, Gutenberg Pereira, Muhammad Ali. Not going to be easy, but I see him in the final versus Leandro Lo.
I don't see him in the final. I see Muhammad Ali in the final. 2018 FloGrappling Black Belt of the Year. 2018 World Champion. Guy's got a ton of momentum. Yes, he lost to Gutenberg last year, but he's got a taste. I think he can come back and take it all this year.
No, absolutely ridiculous. Don't listen to these guys. You want to win some money, you want the right pick? Listen to me, okay? It is going to be the GF team standout, Gutenberg Pereira, standing on the top of the podium at the end of the day. This guy, he's been here before. He went to the finals against Leandro Lo in 2018. Okay, a year later, he's gonna make the finals, and I think this time he's gonna do it. He's gonna win the gold, and he's gonna win it in style. He'll have to go through guys like Muhammad Ali and Lucas Hoke, and most likely Leandro Lo as well, but this is his time.
Just pretend you didn't hear the last 45 seconds of audio because they got it all wrong. The #1 seed, Leandro Lo, is going to stand at the top of the podium tomorrow in the Absolute Final, but he's got a tough road to get there. He's got Braguinha, Hudson Mateus, Max Jimenez, and more on his side of the bracket, but it's going to be a fun day. Can't wait to get started. I'm good.
Guys, how many takes do we do you think?
One take.
A successful lunch adventure / absolute picks. Now we're heading back to the arena. Gonna go back and see how the rest of the day goes.
A lot of people watch your vlogs.
Chase just ruined it.
playing more smart right now. He explodes what he needs because of his experience. But Lucas, he's very entertaining, and we can tell like Lucas don't give up. He's gonna fight to the end and that's it. But it's gonna be really entertaining. I don't think it's gonna be a boring fight. It's gonna be an amazing fight, and you guys should watch for sure to learn.
Tell me, is there any significance to the green hair here? What was the inspiration behind the green hair?
That's what when I get angry, my hair gets green, you know. That's the Hulk thing, you know. Green is the Hulk, so I just decided today was a special day to be the whole thing, and you know, this is the Hulk hair.
Nice, man. Congratulations. Good luck tomorrow, brother.
Tomorrow, the Hulk is gonna be the champion. Us.
Last one's here. We clean the mats right behind us. Tomorrow, black belts, quarterfinals, semifinals, finals, and of course, the absolute final versus Leandro Lo and Lucas Hulk Barbosa. They've never fought before. It's gonna be a great fight. Tomorrow, if tomorrow is anything like today, it's gonna be incredible. I'll see you guys there.